segments, and this is Spotlight of the Week. Push mo yan, Ryan. Take it away, Ryan.
Yes, thank you, Ate Kin. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat and welcome back to Fiesta Werarapa Pinoy Radio. May 19 and samahan niyo po kami from 4 to 5:30. So week 19, mabilis na, pang 20 na.
Is it the last Monday of this month?
Hindi pa.
Hindi
May isa pa.
May isa pang Monday.
May isa pa.
Malapit
Mas
na.
maraming 5 weeks yata ngayon na month.
Ay, kaya pala.
Oh. So, ang spotlight of the week po natin, parang follow-up po ito nung last week namin. Na it's still about the Filipino Kiwi Hero Awards. Pero bago ko umpisahan yung feature article ko, pasok na po tayo sa bugtong ng linggo, which is the riddle of the week. Ito, bibigyan ko ng chance. So, yung mga dapat nakinig kayo yung on air na ngayon. So, ito yung next natin. Unfortunately, yung awarding para sa prize last Saturday na it was meant to be given to Lynn Burnett. Nakalimutan natin sa sobrang busy. So, apologies, Lynn. Dapat naka-incorporate yun sa opening speech ko tapos nakalimutan ko.
She was actually very happy when I bumped into her.
Did she?
Andun ka ba?
Andun ako. Yeah, but you were busy.
Oh, in the, both of us is in the,
Lagi.
Yeah.
Tapos siya, asan ka? Nasa taas, sa baba?
Nasa taas.
Ayun lang.
Kasama mo si Christy?
No.
Hindi sila sumipot ng nanay niya?
Sumipot
Okay.
sila nung volleyball. Sumipot sila.
Okay.
Kasi naglaro yung anak niya, di ba?
Yeah.
Series. Pero wala. So, ito po yung bugtong ng linggo o riddle of the week. So, ako ay hindi hari, hindi rin kawal, ngunit sinusundan ng maraming bilang. Kapag ako'y nauna, madali kang mahuli, ngunit kung ako'y huli, madali kang mawala. Ano ako? In English, I am not a king, nor a soldier, yet many numbers follow me. If I come first, you may fall behind, but if I come last, you may disappear. What am I?
Wow, napaka-hard naman na tanong.
Napakalalim ng mga syempre $30 yan eh.
Sumasakit naman yung ulo ko dito. Sabi ko gano'n.
$30 yan eh. So, dapat talaga, bigyan nyo ng brain teaser talaga. Brain teaser.
Teaser talaga.
So,
Grabe.
So, yun yung So, mamaya, magra-random call na naman tayo dito sa telepono ko. Hopefully, makakuha tayo ng 2 o 3 this afternoon. Pag wala pa rin mga sagot, you have the whole week when we download our video podcast on our Facebook pages. Doon nyo panoorin. Hindi ko na ilalagay yung riddle. Hindi ko na itatype. Panoorin nyo yung video namin.
Dapat ganun.
Ganun dapat. Kasi, lugi kami. Anyway, so just going into my featured article, just a follow-up with regards to the Filipino Kiwi Hero Awards. So, ang title po is Wairarapa's Airwaves Make National Impact. Kini Vermeulen and Rica Visteras wins Radio Show Host of the Year or Media Personality. Ang tamang title is actually Media Personalities of the Year.
Nice.
Right. In Wairarapa, New Zealand, the voices of one of Wairarapa's most beloved community radio programs have just earned national recognition. Kini Vermeulen and Rica Vesperas, two dedicated broadcaster from the Fiesta Wairarapa Pinoy Radio, has been awarded the Media Personalities of the Year at the Filipino Kiwi Hero Awards that is going to be held in Auckland this coming June 7th. Their show, Fiesta Wairarapa Pinoy Radio, also received the Radio Show of the Year. So, yay! Dami natin, nakuha natin lahat. Marking a historic achievement for the Filipino community in Wairarapa and for local community broadcasting through ROFM Wairarapa. The program is a vibrant collaboration between 3 passionate broadcasters, namely Ryan, myself, Kini, and Rica. Each one brings their own unique energy and focus to the show, which has grown into a powerful voice for Filipino culture and conversation in the region. Kini Vermeulen leads a heartfelt motivational segment that encourages listeners to remain strong, resilient, and positive. Her warm presence and uplifting messages have earned her deep respect within the community. Rika Bisparas, on the other hand, brings courage and charisma to the mic. Her segment explores real, sometimes challenging, aspects of Filipino life, from identity to generational clashes to social issues often left unspoken. Her fearless and engaging style opens space for important dialogue. Ryan Erwin Soriano, who also serves as the show's executive producer, offers structure, updates, and direction to each episode. With a strong background in public service and governance, Ryan provides weekly news bulletins, community updates, and a steady hand behind the scenes. His leadership has helped shape the show's vision and reach across the region. Buhat upuan yun.
Maganda naman.
It's really
It's
good.
true naman.
And you totally deserve that.
Yes.
So this award is a tribute to our kababayans in the Wairarapa, the team shared. We are so grateful to have this platform, and we dedicate this recognition to everyone who listens, supports, and shares their stories with us. Arrow FM station manager Michael Wilson shared his pride. Fiesta Wairarapa Pinoy Radio is a model of authentic, community-driven broadcasting. Ryan, Kini, and Rika have created something special, uplifting, relevant, and rooted in connection. With the national recognition is going to be behind them soon,
Yeah. June 7.
June 7, the team plans to continue celebrating culture, sharing stories, and building bridges for Filipino Kiwis in Aotearoa. And as their listeners know well, the best is yet to come.
Oh, that's
Thank you
nice.
so much, Ryan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kaya gumawa ako ng article para sa atin, para pagmalaki natin sarili natin. We have to be proud of ourselves for achieving this feat.
Yes.
Yun nga, yun ang kagandahan nun. So, and then being like, how long have we been in on air?
One and a half.
One and a half years
yes.
na, and yet in comparison, we put ourselves at front with the rest of the country, and then we were so lucky na napili tayo.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yan ang ano namin, yung article po namin. So 5 minutes lang yun.
Well done. That's
Yeah.
well
So
done.
before ako mag ng mga shoutouts or events or other announcements, susubukan muna natin kung meron bang sasagot sa riddle natin. Okay. Pipili lang muna ako dito sa sa cellphone ko. Kung sino ang gustong magpatawag. So,
That's good. You're calling them randomly?
yeah, hindi random, merong mga request yan eh.
All right. Okay.
Pero tingnan natin kung sasagot. Here we go. Hello? 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 Yeah! Yeah! Magandang hapon. You're live at Fiesta Wairarapa Pinoy Radio. Natawag ka to give you the chance to actually sagutin yung riddle o bugtong ng linggo. Okay, ready ka na? Sige. Okay, hello Marcos. Meron pa lang dyan, may kasama pa, may backup. Okay. Alright, ito yung bugtong. This is the riddle. Ako ay hari, hindi rin kawal. Ako ay hindi hari, hindi rin kawal, ngunit sinusundan ng maraming bilang. Kapag ako'y nauna, madali kang mahuli. Ngunit kung ako'y huli, madali kang mawala. Ano ako? In English, I am not a king nor a soldier, yet many numbers follow me. If I come first, you may fall behind, but if I come last, you may disappear. What am I?
Here you go.
Sige, bigyan kita ng 3.
So kung mag-first ako behind. Tapos kung naman, I'll be the queen. Number 1?
No, sorry. Yeah, yun nga, tatlong guesses.
Okay, 0.
Zero is the correct answer! Congratulations! Yeah, so Direct, since you've answered the correct answer live on the show, automatic, ikaw na ang mananalo.
Congrats, yeah!
Congratulations, Yeye Perales.
Ang galing mo naman, yeah.
Gets kagad eh. Congratulations, Yeye. So, ang gawin na lang natin for your prize, idadaan ko na lang, tapos picture na lang tayo for uploads. Ganon na lang. So may personal shoutout ka ba before we go back to the show?
Ako yan. Congratulations sa Parokyan ni Edgar team sa pag-champion sa basketball. At saka, doon si Trinis pa rin!
Very good, very good. Ayan nga, isa shoutout ko pa nga yun eh. So, yeah. So, anything else? Mga personal dyan. Yung mga kamag-anakan or something.
Thank you lang pala sa lahat sa sports na successful din, then champion din yung defenders, thank you. And personal shoutout ko pala sa Pilipinas, mama ko, lahat ng pamilya ko doon. And sa coordinators, si Paula at saka si Boyet, salamat. And of course, the president.
At saka si Rika. Okay.
Yun lang. And thank you sa pagtawag. Nanalo ko ng test.
Yeah. Alright, congratulations ulit. Yeah, so thank you so much for participating in the Riddle of the Week by the Fiesta Wairarapa Pinoy Radio. So, magkita na lang tayo this weekend. Okay, alright. Bye-bye.
Bye, yeah. Oh,
Yun.
galing
Galing naman,
Yeah, galing ni Yeye. Okay. So, yun, panalo ka agad.
I heard her doing the announcement, yung how do you call that?
Commentator.
Yeah.
Oh, sa basketball.
She was very passionate about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so kasi absent si wala yung mga commentators natin eh.
Oh, hindi nandoon si Iman pero umalis na siya. Doon lang siya sa third place.
Nag-commentator. Tapos si
Nag-commentator.
Gerson hindi
Wala
sumigot.
din. So
Okay.
si Yi na nag-continue.
Usually kasi pag championship na at saka yung mga finals na games, usually si Eman man at saka si Gerson.
Yeah.
Sa regular games natin, si Rika, si Yeye, minsan ako, depende na yan sa sa kung sino lang yung available na mag-table committee. So, yun. Right. So, again, congratulations, Miss Richelle Perales, aka Yeye. So, good luck din pala sa sa trip ninyo this coming May 31 for the King's Birthday Competition sa
Saan ba yun?
volleyball sa Walter Nash Stadium. Sa Hat.
Pero mayroon din kaya sila sa Wanganui.
Hindi ko alam kung anong date nung sa Wanganui pero I will confirm that
to be
para
confirmed pa.
mai-promote natin dito
Yeah.
on
Okay.
air. Okay, so ano ba yung mga announcement po natin? Gaya ng sinabi ni Marcos sa kanyang personal shoutout. Congratulations to all na nag-champion nung Sabado sa recently concluded 2025 Autumn Sports League. So congratulations to the Wizards or Parokya ni Edgar for winning the Basketball Open Championship. And then congratulations din sa Team 1. Wala kasing nickname eh. Team 1 ng Under 16 Under 16 Basketball Championship din. So, sino ba ang Team 1? Sino team captain ng Team 1?
Yun nga, hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko alam
kasi
din eh.
mahalo-halo man sila.
Kasi Team 1 lang at saka Team 2, walang mga nickname.
Next time, lagyan nyo ng pangalan.
Pero I think I'll also take this opportunity actually to appreciate and thank the PCA Under 16 team for accepting our invitation to play the exhibition games between the Wairarapa Under 16 versus the Palmerston North Under 16 through the tutelage or coaching ni Bro Lay Birondo. Yung kaya pala yung si 24 Birondo, yung sabi na 26 Birondo, 'di ba? Tatlo yung 26.
Kaya
Alala mo.
nga eh.
So yung Birondo, yung pala yung anak ng coach.
Ay, ganun.
So yun pala yung anak sa Sulay.
Yun yung naabutan ko.
Ay, nabutan
okay.
mo pala yun.
Yeah, so thank you Lay. Shout out ito, i-tag kita dito sa video podcast natin para mapanood mo na binabanggit ko pangalan mo, Bro Lay. Maraming salamat to the parents as well of the children who are present there. So it draws a lot of revenue para sa mga food stall owners natin. And then of course, hindi rin pwedeng iwanan o hindi banggitin. Maraming salamat po sa bagong labor attaché natin na si labor attaché Antonio Ton Mutok Jr. at saka si Ate Marie.
He was there the whole afternoon. Huh?
Yeah, the whole
day.
time. Yeah, the whole time.
Until matapos.
Until
Kasi
matapos.
nakita ko sa exhibition mga 5 na yun. Sabi ko ba, he's around. He was there since he started 1 o'clock.
Ay, hindi. Dumating na siya mga
Mga
4 o'clock.
Four.
4 o'clock, the start of the program. Pero andun na siya the whole night until championship. Kasi siya din yung nag-award sa pag at the end.
Oh, anong oras ka natapos?
Mga ano siguro yun?
really?
Mga
Sa amin,
9 o'clock?
9 o'clock na ron. Tama, 9.
9 o'clock. Hindi kasama yung ligpit.
Oh.
Alright. So, ang champion again, congratulations to Team 1 Under 16. Hindi ko lang alam anong mga pangalan ng mga bata. Pero, congratulations. And then, of course, Parokya ni Edgar or Wizards team being the 2025 Autumn League champions for the open basketball. And then, Saint Remy for the second runner-up and then Saints for the third. Sa volleyball naman, congratulations to the defenders.
Champion.
As champion for the 2025 volleyball mix 2025 Autumn Sports League. Pagdating naman sa ano naman na mention ko na yung sa badminton, yung mag-asawang Erica Drake at saka si Jacqueline Cereales. Sa bowling naman, Team Black, sila Sam Zambrano, Jennifer Zambrano, Jimmy Aspilan, Lourdes Aspilan at saka si Marilyn Lacaden. Lahat sila wala. Kasi naglipat bahay pala si Jimmy.
Ay, ganun.
Lumipat sila sa bagong bahay nila. Kaya wala sila doon. So, and then of course, yung sa dart naman, ang nag-champion po sa doubles ay walang iba kundi si Pax o si Jesse Bumanlag at saka si Jerry Saliot. Ang second place naman si Edgar Grado at saka si Limuel. And then ang third si Reynald Ander at saka ewan ko kung sino yung partner niya. So, nakalimutan ko, nawala kasi yung listahan ko, pasensya na. Pero, alam nyo kung sino kayo, congratulations sa inyo lahat. So, yun po, natapos na po yung ano natin, Autumn Sports League. So, yung next main event po natin will be the Bingo Extravaganza this coming July. So, ngayong buong month ng June, walang activity ang community natin. Right. And then of course, ito special request, plug lang po. This coming May 25, Sunday, may gaganapin po siya na Santa Cruzan sa Chanel College. So nag-invite po yung mga Wairarapa Filipino Catholics that they are organizing the Santa Cruzan this coming Sunday, May 25 sa Chanel grounds, Chanel College grounds. Hindi sa gym, sa labas. Sa labas. So weather permitting sana para makaikot yung mga Santa Cruzan o yung mga Reyna.
Nice.
Sinong organizer?
Ang organizer po niyan ay yung Filipino the Wairarapa Filipino Catholic group led by Beng White. Si Ate Beng White
So what time does it start? Sunday.
Ewan ko ba Sunday morning yata? Oh, yeah, I think it's Sunday morning.
Notify na lang natin si Ate Bing. Siguro, tawagan natin. To
Yeah.
confirm the
Tapos
date.
post yun lang.
I mean,
So, and then of course, personal shout out ko lang po from the Department of Migrant Workers, gaya na sabi ko, si Sir Ton, yung bagong labor attaché, maraming salamat sa iyo. And then of course, yung Department of Foreign Affairs as well, and the Department of Migrant Workers. And then, ito, akin personal ko rin ito na shout out to our UCOL student success team. Namely si Ayla, Phoenix, Emma, Emily, Cory, Sarah, and then of course yung boss nila na si Ricky. So, yun sila mga non-academic team namin yan. So, they are the student success team. So, yan tumutulong on top of us, tumutulong sa amin at saka of course tumutulong sa mga estudyante. So, shout out to you guys. Phoenix, Ayla, Emma, Emily, Corey, Sarah, and of course, Ricky. And then, of course, birthday greetings. Ito, talagang plinak ko ito sa Facebook. So, happy birthday sa 3 tao na napili ko for this week. Happy birthday to my deputy chair na si Edgar Bisperas. And then a good friend namin and Filipino seller na si John Lex Serrano. And then ang kaibigan natin within the outside the community na walang iba kundi si Christy Johnson.
Oh,
So, happy birthday to you guys.
her birthday is coming up.
Yeah,
This
coming
Saturday.
up this Saturday.
Pupunta ka.
Birthday rin ni Edgar eh.
Sabay yung birthday nila
Sabay
eh.
sila.
Wow.
So, depende
I
na yan.
don't know what to do.
Tapos isa pa, meron pa mag-birthday si Armaine.
Oh yun, Sabado din. 18th
Sabado,
birthday rin
18th
niya.
birthday ni Armaine.
Nako.
So, happy birthday, anak. Thank you, especially for your hard work sa fundraising ninyo. And then, of course, regards na lang din sa mami mo. Thank you sa invite sa coming 18th birthday mo. Right, so yan lang po sa akin. Of course, I would like to thank and appreciate, of course, my wife, Michi, for doing a really good job. She's doing her formal placement now, yung actual placement niya at BCB's in
That's great.
in ano nga yung kalsada sa hospital?
Teore-ore.
Teore-ore Road.
Yeah.
Doon siya na-assign.
So is
First day niya ngayon.
this her second year?
Yeah, second year niya.
Ang bilis ah.
Nakita ko
Hindi,
siya
nag-RPL kasi yan siya kasi nag-graduate na yan siya nung diploma niya eh. So,
Yeah.
tumalo na siya ng second year.
Nakita ko siya last time, sabi ko, Mitch, pumayat ka ah.
Oh, sobrang stress assignment niya eh. Pero sabi ko, encourage lang, kaya mo yan, kaya mo
Oo,
yan. Kasi
kaya niya yan.
nahihirapan din. To be honest, nahihirapan talaga siya. Pero because she's dedicated so much time and that, sayang naman din
Sana
kung...
malapit na. Yeah, she would only have this and then the next year.
Mm. Yeah.
Malapit na. 1.5 years to go. Well done, Mitch.
Mm.
Well done. Yeah.
So, yun lang po. I think, para sa akin, so balik sa iyo, Atikin.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Ryan. And well done, team, for pulling together that league. Autumn League. I think the community is really very happy with that.
Yeah, so kudos to Boyet and Paula for doing
Yes.
that. And then, of course, ang table committee and then the sports executive committee as well.
And sa lahat din ng dumalo, bumili ng pagkain.
Ubus. Ubus.
Ubus.
Literally ubus. Ewan ko lang yung kay Ate Diana, may natira pa
Ubus
sa ko
din.
konti.
Kasi-
Hindi, alas 8 meron pa eh. Pero inakyat ko sila yung kasi umuwi. Sabi ko kumuha pa kayo dun sa taas. So, ewan ko kung kumuha sila Serton.
Kasi I
Pero
ordered
konti
more,
na lang.
I ordered more siomai. Dahil my son is coming the day after. Gusto ko sanang patikimin yung siomai. Wala na, sabi niya. ubos.
Ay, ubos. Ubos na pala.
Yung ang natira na lang yata, yung mga tuhog na lang.
Yung
yung
mga
mga-
tawag doon? Quick.
Hindi, iba din yung kwek-kwek. Yun yung itlog eh.
Ano yung tawag?
Yung
niya?
mga tuhog na may hotdog, may
yung combination.
may fishball at saka
Yeah.
yung
Okay. Yeah.
Yun. Masarap din yun ah.
Pero yung turon masarap.
Masarap din.
Mm.
Lahat naman pag
yun
tinda
naubos
nila,
talaga, naubos.
masarap.
Tapos yung kay Monica din, ubos
Oo.
din.
Oh, okay, that's great. Yeah.
Yung takoyaki niya, ubos.
Sarap, no?
Yung cheese
Sarap.
fries niya, ubos din. Kasi yung dami nga eh. So that's why I'm so appreciative of the Palmerston North community. Kasi ang daming parents eh.
Oh, na dumating?
Oo, ang daming parents dumating. Hindi lang yung team lang.
Oo.
Kasama yung mga parents nila, mga mami nila.
Maybe next year, yung itong Nena Mel sa Auckland Showgrounds,
Oh.
pumunta tayo. I mean, we would have a contingent from the Wairarapa region. Sinabi ko kasi kay Diana, sabi kong, you could sell food there.
It's too far away, no?
Hindi, bibit-bitin mo yung pagkain mo.
Although you could buy it when you could
Ah,
eat there.
don't know about
Don't
that.
know, don't know about that. Yeah.
Probably in Wellington, but not Auckland.
Not Auckland, I don't think.
Anyway, at saka, ano rin yun sa Sports Fest. Oh, hindi na pala, wala na. Tatapos na yung Sports Fest by May.
Ang alin, ang...
Yeah. It wouldn't conflict with any of our activities.
Oh, sinasadya talaga yan, te, para walang kalaban.
Oh.
Katulad nga June 7, yung Independence Day, kasi hindi nga natin sineselebrate. You should look at our calendar, te. You should look at our calendar.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's good. Anything else, guys?
Na,
Before I-
daw, Bill.
Song break na.
Okay, dahil birthday ni Edgar coming up and his team also won, I think there's a special request from his wife, which is itong song na to, theme